Want a frog?
What?
And you hit a frog?
Oh. It was a car. How old was those kids? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.